there's a hidden function in Excel which helps you discover the number of months or years between two dates. Unfortunately, hidden means you cannot click the function wizard, you cannot find it in the help files. So you just have to follow what we're saying. So the function is called DATEDIF. So it's equals DATEDIF, open brackets. And then it follows the same sequence as other functions, the start date, comma, the end date. And the last one is, what do you want to know the date difference in? Months, years, etc. So I'm going to do months now. So I'll go put inverted commas, M, close inverted commas, close the brackets. When I click OK, you'll see it says 51 months. There are 51 months between December 2015 and September 2011. And we can copy that down. For years, you do exactly the same thing, equals DATEDIF, oops, open brackets, start date, comma, end date, comma, and in this case, in inverted commas, Y for year, and it'll give you the number of years between two dates. Similarly, there's a function called YEARFRAC, which tells you the fraction of the years that have passed. Now this one I can use the function wizard if I want. You'll see down here it's called YEARFRAC. And all it wants is a start date, which is over here, an end date, which is over here. And you can get quite technical with the bases, but for now we're going to just stick with the default. I'm going to say OK. And it tells you the fraction of the year that has gone by. So it's 4.3 years has gone by between these two dates.